Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. The doubtful question which I received through message has been sent to you with explanation, and the question which I am discussing today also has been sent through PDF. So now onwards, please concentrate on what I am discussing here or what I am explaining. Okay, so let us start. We have to discuss today about the tax. Tax is the extra amount which is to be paid along with the original price of the article. Now, suppose original price of the article is X and VAT is 10%. So how much amount is to be paid? So that is original price we have to pay along with the 10% of original price. So 10% of original price plus original price, so that is equals to total amount paid. So this is the formula. Now if you need to calculate original price, then again formula will be amount paid minus 10% of X. Extra percentage of the tax we have to subtract. After that we will get the original price of the article. Now with this concept, let us start exercise 10.C, question number 1. The list price of a refrigerator is 14,650. If 6% is charged as sales tax, find the cost of a refrigerator. Very simple question. So mark price is 14,650 and sales tax is 6%. So amount paid, as I told you, that is original price plus 10% of that price. So after calculating this, add the both, you will get the answer 15,529. So calculation is your part. Now I think all of you know how to calculate 10% of any number. So because already we did in percentage also and in profit and loss also. Now question number 2. In question number 2, Reena bought the following articles from a general store. One tie costing rupees 250 with sales tax 6%, medicines costing 625 rupees with sales tax 4%, cosmetics costing 430 rupees with sales tax 10%, clothes costing 1175 with sales tax 8%. Calculate the total amount to be paid by Reena. That means you have to calculate the overall amount which is to be paid by Reena after calculating all the amount paid in each case. So case number 1. So in case of tie, amount paid for tie. In the individually they have given tax for every item. So amount paid for tie is the cost of tie plus 6% of 250 plus 6% of 250. After calculation, you will be getting 265. Now for the second case, amount paid for medicines. So that is 625 plus 4% of 625, that is charge which is implemented for the medicine. So 4% of 625. After calculation, you will be getting 650. Cost of cosmetics is rupees 430 and the sales tax on cosmetics is 10%. Now amount paid only for cosmetics will be 430 plus 10% of 430. So that is after calculation you will get 473. Now the number 4, amount paid for clothes. So that is 1175 plus 8% is the sales tax on clothes. So 8% of 1175. I have written in shortcut because already you have understood, I hope. Now after calculation, the answer is 1269. Now the total amount which is paid by Reena, that is you have to add all the articles purchased by her. So total amount paid by her on each and every item. So after adding, you will get 2657. So that will be your answer. Now question number 3. Tanvi bought a watch for rupees 1980 including VAT at 10%. Find the original price of the watch. Now here means whatever amount is being paid, that is given 980. We need to find 10% is VAT over it. We have to find the original price of the watch. So what you have to do is you have to subtract the amount of VAT and that will be the original price. CP is 1980, VAT is 10%. We have to find original price, so let original price be X, and X plus 10% of X is equals to the amount paid, that is 1980. So like this equation can be set up. After setting up this equation, you need to solve this. After solving, you will get the value of X as 1800. So the original price is rupees 1800. Now number 4 is similar to question number 3, so I am leaving that for you. Now next is question number 5. Karuna bought 10 gram of gold for rupees 15,756 including VAT at 1%. What is the rate of the gold per 10 gram? That means we have to find the original price of the gold. So let price of 10 gram of gold is rupees X. So price is X and VAT is 1%. So 1% of X is X by 100. Price including VAT is X plus X by 100, and the amount which is paid for 10 gram of gold is 15,756, and according to the equation, price including VAT is X plus X by 100. So you need to equate both. So after equating, you have to calculate the value of X. So the value of the original price of the gold is 15,600. So that's all for today, children. Complete this exercise, and if you find any difficulty in any of the problem, please message to me, and we will be discussing in next class. So complete all the questions including example problems also. Okay, thank you.